So members, I want you to pay attention to this lecture, and the best way of learning these concepts is by practicing. You play, you listen to what I've recorded here, then you are going to go onto your device and try practicing it out. The moment you don't practice, then it becomes so hard. So let us prepare our ears, we listen and do the practice. Just know by the end of this lecture, everyone will have to record and upload the video. I wish you a good lecture. So welcome again to this YouTube channel. My name is Chance. Today I want us to look at how we can upload our content. When we have created our videos and audios, how can we upload them onto the YouTube channel? In most cases, when you create content, some people they put it on TikTok, but obviously YouTube becomes more formal way of communicating, because most people who are doing their research, they depend more on YouTube compared to TikTok. TikTok can be good, but for leisure. So once you have recorded your video, or you have finished editing and trimming your video audio, you would come and upload it onto the YouTube channel. Most people wonder, how can you create a YouTube channel? So I want you to pay attention on this. How you can create a YouTube channel. You just come and click on Chrome. It opens. Then, like for me, I've got different accounts of the Chrome. Then I will choose this one. We choose any, then you just have to search for YouTube. So when you search for YouTube, you make sure that you open YouTube. So when it opens, YouTube opens like this. When you click on create, it can show you upload a video, or you can go live. If you want to record yourself live without using these other softwares, you can just go on live YouTube. But for me, I want to create a channel. When you want to create a channel, you come and see where this image is. You click on that image, then you will see create a channel. So when you see create a channel, you just need to give your channel name. Then you click on create channel. But I don't want to create this channel because I don't know how. I will have to delete it because I already have a channel. I don't want to have a dormant channel on YouTube. So it is asking me, David Chance, that create content on device and upload. So once you have created your content, you just have to come on create. Then let me show you. Just come on create. Then it will take you where you can browse where your content is on the desktop. For example, if it is in a folder on the desktop, then you can be able to browse. They have told you select the files. You just click on select. Then you choose where your content is. You just click select, it will select it, and you follow. You follow other options. I don't want to go to publish any video on this channel, but you just continue following until you receive a message that your video has been successfully uploaded. So I don't want to keep this recording so long. I want us to stop here. We shall meet maybe in another class. Thank you so much, and make sure that you take this knowledge into consideration. Thank you.